Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ProRobo and I am Hitajin Ahmed. So today we're going to see how to code a calculator program in Java language. So this is the first any project video of any kind of programming language in this video. So let's start it. So for writing a Java code, we will need a IDE or a code editor. So I recommend two. One is Visual Code Studio and one is IntelliJ IDEA. But I use IntelliJ IDEA, so let's enter there. For writing code, you will need two things: a folder and a file. So I have already made a file. After you made a file, you have to open it. You have to open it. After opening it from here, you have to go to main menu to file and then new and then go to Java class and click it. And then we'll give a name as our project is something related to calculator. We'll give the name then calculator dot prog dot dot prog dot Java. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, there is already a class made by the IDE. So it is a class named calculator slash prog. This will be the same name as the file name. Okay, then we'll enter, and then we have to make a method where we'll write our main code. So we'll make a method named sorry, named main, where we'll write our main code. Static void main. Static void. Static void main. Static void main bracket then string for brackets then args. Here args mean argument. You can write arguments in two ways. This is the short form, or you can write arguments, the full form. But I like to write in the short form, so I'll write the short form then in curly braces. So before writing the main code, I want to show you the process of the code. So this is the main process of the code. I guess this is very small to see on the screen. Okay, so we will start here. Okay, let me go there. Okay, so we'll start from here, and then we will ask the user for numbers, like ask for inputs. So they will give two numbers, 1 and 2. Okay, then after asking for them for numbers, we'll ask for operators, which operators they want. There will be 5 or 6 uh, options. So if they select class, so I will give them the sum of the two numbers, and then if they give subtract or the minus sign, I will give them, sorry, the computer will give them the subtracted output. And if they select the division, the computer will give them the divided output. If they select multiplication, it will give the multiplied output. And if they select the area, it will give the output in area. Okay, then we'll like after asking all the info, we will calculate using all the info. Then we will output the result. As an example, if the user gives number 1 as 1, number 2 as 2, so this equal, okay, and they give us plus, so this equals to 1 plus 2 equals to 3. The output will be 3 then. And then we will ask, is there any more calculation the user wants? If they say yes, we will continue. If they say no, we will stop the program. If no, stop the program. If yes, continue. If no, we will end the program. So now let's start writing the actual code. So first of all, we will have to make two variables. I guess no, three variables. So first of all, we will import the scanner object. Scanner object is mainly for taking input from the user in Java. Scanner. Then you have to give it a name. Scanner. I will give the name input. Input equals to a new scanner. Sorry, here. Okay. New scanner. New scanner. Then we'll write system.in. System.in because it will take it will take input. So in. And as you can see, after writing this, the utility has already imported in this code automatically. Okay. Then we will declare three variables, one string and two double. So first of all, we'll do string for the operators, for asking the operators. So we will say you can use character, but I don't think character is more useful than string, so I use string. So okay, then we'll give it a name, that operator, smooth operator. Okay, operator, then semicolon. In Java you have to close in a syntax with a semicolon. It is mandatory in Java and C has some similarities. Okay, then we'll declare other two variables. One is double one will be number one, num1, same thing. Then double num2. Okay. Okay. Actually, you should close the scanner, or sometimes it acts differently. Okay. You have to give the command to the scanner or the input variable I've made here between this two lines, between the starting and the closing point. Okay, now right here, first of all, we will ask to the user input or give the number one value. So we will write so, okay, not so, print system.print line, because I want the input in the same line, not in the next line. So we will ask enter number enter number one, enter number one. Then we will store the value of the user or the input, the value of this input into number one, like the double number one. So number one, num1 equals to next dot double. Oh, sorry, next. Very sorry. Input dot next. Input dot next double. Next double. Okay. So what it will do is it will store the input in number one. Okay. Let's see, does it work or not? We will print num1. Okay, we will run it. Okay, there should be. Okay. Oh, got it. Oh, there. Okay, now it will run. As you can see, the computer is asking for a number. Enter number one. So I will give a number like 1.0. So, okay, this is an decimal number because I've used double. If I had used integer, it would show me the the whole number. Okay, so we will cut this. Okay, now we will ask for the number 2. So enter and enter. Okay. Enter number 2. Enter number 2. Enter number 2, and we'll cut the Allen thing. I think okay. Now we'll store the input in num2 equals to input dot next double. Okay. Now it will store the input in number 2. Okay. Now what we will do, we will ask for what to say. We will ask for the operator. So what should we ask? We will write. We will write choose any operator for them and to proceed. Okay, so we'll give them the uh, choices. So first of all, plus, then minus, then division or division. Oh, sorry, division. Then okay, actually this forward slash means division. Okay, so division and then multiplication. Okay, yeah, that's all. Then we'll store this here. We'll store this. The name of this string is operator. Operator. Operator equals to input dot next next line. Next line. Okay. Now let's see what happens. Now let's output all of the things we have taken from here. Two. Oh, sorry. Okay, again. We will output all the inputs we have taken from the user. So num2, then sort. Sort is the short form for system println. Okay, then operate. Then we'll run it. First number, I will give it 23, then 1. As you can see, they didn't ask for this thing. They didn't ask me for this thing, but somehow they just printed the 23 here, and like because I've told them to print the number 1 and print number 2, they just printed this, and this. Actually, not this. But they didn't ask for the operators. Why? There is a lag in Java. After a double or integer, if you take an input from the user in string, it will give this buffer. So for avoiding that, you have to take this input dot next line. For avoiding this buffer, you have to take this, okay? And then again, we can run this. Okay. Now number 12, number 2. Then now this is asking for the operator. So I will give plus. Okay. Now you can see 12 to plus. Now, what we will do, now we will cut this. Okay. Now we'll do some conditional loops here. So we will use if first of all. So we will see. We will do there is a syntax for operator dot equals ignore case. Equals means if the like what should I say? Yeah, if the stored value or the input by the user contains the name, the character plus or something like that. And ignore case, actually we don't need ignore case here. We will use only equals. Okay, what we'll do is we will write operator dot equals plus. If the operator have a value of plus, what it will do, it will solve. Solve is for system.out.println. So what we'll do is and then plus the f and then equals to f. Okay. Now we will do the calculation here. First of all, we will show number one here. We'll show number one here, and then number two here, and then we will show the calculation of number one and number two. Number two. Okay. So okay, that's a good one. Okay. Okay. We'll run this program. Now you see they're asking for one number. I will give 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. So let's give this plus. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. You can see there is 3. Okay. Then we will do the other things, other calculations here. So we will write else if operator dot equals minus. Operator goes minus. Operator goes minus. It will show so that same f minus f equals to f. Okay. Hmm. So it will show number one at here. It will show the value of the number one here at the first here, and then it will show number two and second, and then it will show the calculation of the number one and number two. Okay, let's not check the output now. Let's do other things. Else if let's say yeah, operator dot equals operator dot equals um x x x. Okay, here. Okay, I will show the problem after taking the input and showing the output. I will fix that problem in this video, but I want to show you guys that what will be the error. Okay, so we will say equals dot x because we have tell them to use this smaller case x. Okay, then we'll use the curly braces, and then we will write stuff here. Mm, f x f equals to f. Okay. Now I will show number one, then number two, then num1. Okay, in every languages, I guess, we have to use the star thing for multiplication. So num1 multiplied by num2. Okay. And then we'll do the we will do the division. Operator dot equal equal equals division division. Okay, no, we don't need to use that. Okay, yeah. And then we will write. We will show the output. So f divided by f equals to f. Okay, f is the keyword or the addressing location for double is f. Okay, then number one, then number two, then for dividing any number, encoding we have to use forward slash. So num1 forward slash num2. And there is a thing. Okay, let me show you the result, output result. Okay, I don't think we have to use for this. There is some problem here. Okay, so we will ask for number one and then two, and then we will multiply it. So 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Okay, it shows 2, and then I will run it again and we'll divide it now. Like 1, 1, 1, we divide, and 0. Okay, yeah, sorry, 1. 1, 1 divide 1. But now I will show you the problems. Okay, now if someone write 1, then 2, and they want to multiply the number. Oh, sorry, I did that wrong. Wait, there is a lag. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now 1, then 2, and I'm asking you for the what to say? Yeah, the operator. So if the user want to do the multiplication, I have set it to smaller case. But if the user write it in uppercase, what it will show? It will show nothing. To fix that, what we will do is we will do equal ignore case. What we will do is it will ignore the case. Is it uppercase or is it lowercase? It doesn't matter. So let's see what happens now. 1, 2, and I will give uppercase X 2. And then let's see the problem in the division. Okay, 1, 1. Okay, no, sorry. Okay. 1 and 0. 1, 0. And yeah, so we know that 0, if we divide something with 0, it is not possible actually. It will show infinity, but it's not the right answer. For avoiding this thing, we have to use an if inside an else if. What we will do if number 2 equals to 0 equals to 0, what we will write is we will write that no uh, 0 0 cannot be used for division division. And then if the user didn't didn't input 0, we will do an else and after else, and we will give the here. Yeah, nice. And now the last, we have to give a. Wait. We have to give it else. If there is no selected operators, we will write invalid invalid choice. Okay, I didn't give any invalid choice. Invalid choice. Now let's run this thing. We will write 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 2. Then we'll run it again. Then 1 plus 1. Sorry, it will be minus 1. I will get minus 1 minus 1, 0. Then we'll run it again. 1 multiplied by 1. What would be it now? Okay, I will use uppercase. Yeah. 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. Now we'll run it again. And we will write, now we will do divisions. Okay. 1 divided by 0. Let's see what is the output. 0 can be used for division. Now let's again run this. 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 equals to 0.5. Nice. But if we select any other operators, what will happen? Let's see. Invalid choice. Okay. Now as we can see, if we see it again, 1 plus 1 equals to 1.0000000 plus 1.0000000 equals to 2.00000. For avoiding that, we could use a formatting syntax. Point 2. Point 2 means after the decimal point, there will be only two numbers shown. So I will do this for all. I will do this for all. Going to going to and going to. This is very boring, I know, but yeah. Okay. But in division, we should keep some spaces there, so we will use 4.4. 0.4 here, 0.4, and 0.4. Now let's run it. It will be a very neat and clean calculator program. 1 plus 1 plus equals to 2. Then we'll run it again. 1 minus, okay, sorry, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 equals to 1. Okay, let me show you an shortcut for uploading and code. So I don't know, can you see it? Like there is a shift button. By shift and F10, this button, shift and F10, you can upload the code. It is a shortcut in IntelliJ IDEA. Shift plus F10. See? Okay. Now let's test every operator here. Let's do some tough method. Okay, it's tough math. 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4. Then 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, now let's plus it. Okay, before seeing the answer, let's let's open our calculator. Calculator, yeah. Here's our calculator. Okay, let me bring it from my laptop here. Okay, let me bring it here. Okay, now let's plus it. Where did it go? Okay, how much here? 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, and 4, 5, 6. No, sorry. 6, 4, 5. 6, 5, 4. Okay. Now we will plus it and 9, 8, 7, 6. We'll see what is the answer. 331530. 331530. Oh, what did I do? What did I do? Oh shit, what I am doing. Sorry. 331530. 331530. 331530. 331530. 331530. How's that? Okay, now let's do some division. That is very complex. Let's do that. I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's see what is the output of that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0.124, then 9999. So we have kept 4 places only. So 1249. 1249. 0.1249. 0.12. Is it 4? Okay. I think I've added a zero there. 49. Oh yeah, it will round to it because it's very clear to that it will round to here. So that is it for today. So please subscribe and like and comment and share in this video. And please comment how did you like this video or not. I think you guys can expect there will be more project in this video. Bye bye. See you soon.